my channel. So today I'll be doing another try on haul. If you've not watched my previous thrift try on haul, I'll link it down below. It's the most recent video I did, and I'm going to do another try on haul, a collective try on haul of two brands, which is Zaful and Ego shoes. If you've not shopped from either of this brand, please do wait to shop from them, because if you see the pieces I got, you wouldn't believe it. And I got most of my product from the sales period. So I got some during Black Friday sales and Ego shoes during the New Year sales. So if you want to shop and get good deals during from brands, always target them during the sales. You get them at great deals. So if you like this kind of videos, so guys, the first outfit I want to talk about is a pair of joggers I got from Zaful. And if you've not shopped from Zaful before, I have a discount code I'll display on the screen that you can use to get 17% off your order. You know, just use it and you can get 17% off your order with no extra cost to you. That's a way of saving money to be able to shop on Zaful. So I also got it as a set. So the set, I'm going to insert a clip of the pants, and this is the cropped top that comes with it. I'm like, I don't really understand why the top is this small and short, but maybe because it is not really what is my style, so I'm not really into it. But it's really nice. I like the joggers. I will insert the clip. You see how nice it is, multicolored, just like this one, more like tie and dye trend, which is in a way phasing out. I got it on sale on Zaful. Then another way I got from Ego shoes. This is a pair of platform heels, and you know platform heels are in 2022. So if you are into trends of each year, this is really it. This I can wear it for a casual out. I can wear it to Friday work, you know. And if you're feeling, you can wear it for a hangout. I love this pair of platform heels. It's very comfortable. You can see though the inches are kind of high, but if you're just new to trying heels, this is best for it. This will be suitable for you because you'll be able to walk comfortably in it. Unlike stilettos and the others, this one is comfort. You can practically run in these heels. And I always recommend that if you're just new to heels or you're just starting out to wear heels, go for platform heels and you get it all over. And I got it in sales on Ego shoes, and this is really nice. This is under $10 from Ego shoes. I forgot to include that I got sponsored, or I worked with a brand which is the jewelry brand. Brand sells very cheap jewelry that is just $5, and this is one of the bracelets I'm wearing in this video. It's a charm bracelet, and it's really nice. The quality is nice, and it's just silver. I can wear it for anything. You can wear it to work, you can wear it for hangout, you can wear it for any outing. It's really nice. If you've not gotten yours, I'll link it down below. You should just get it. It's very easy. You can even layer two types of bracelets together. You can layer it with your wristwatches if you have silver. I also shopped for some swimwear for myself. I've been short on swimwear. You know, I go to the beach a lot. I like to go out on this channel, you know. So I got some swimwear from Zaful. Zaful, if you've not shopped from Zaful for swimwear, please do shop them. They have very affordable options of swimwear that you can get for yourself. They are really nice and cheap and affordable. So this is one of them I got. It's really nice. I will insert a picture of how I styled it with one of my outfits. You can style with your regular outfit when you want to lounge at your home or lounge anywhere, or you can just style it with a pair of jeans or a pair of jeans skirts or pants. Then you put a jacket on top of it and you feel like you wear it as a normal casual outfit when you're going out. This is really nice and sexy. So if you want to feel sexy and look beautiful, definitely wear this. That's normal with your normal regular activity, or just wear it to the beach or to the pool, and it's really nice. It's beautiful and it's really affordable. Guys, if you not use my discount code is, I'll display it on the screen. It will give you 17% off your order. So whenever you want to shop on Zaful, always use my discount code, because it will give you 17% off your order and with no extra cost to you. So the other swimwear set I got from Zaful is this. This one got my attention when I went to the website. It is really beautiful. You guys can see. It's really nice. I will insert a picture, a video, or a clip of me wearing this. You know, just for monetization reasons, I refuse to wear the bikini pants, because it's really nice and good together. It has this detail at the side, and I really love it. So whenever I'm going to go to the beach, I can't wait to wear this. I love it because of the colors. And you know, 2022 trends, you know, we are going for vibrant colors. We're going for greens, the yellows and all that. So this I really love. I can't wait to wear it to the beach and wear it to the pool and just get it wet. So the next set of bikini I got from Zaful is this bandeau bikini top and this pants, and it's really nice. So this I've initially gotten it, but I got a size that was way bigger than me, so I had to get it again to tell you how much I love this style and this design. I love bandeau style of swimwear, and this is really cheap. If you have small bust, this will be perfect for you. But if you have a bigger bust, this is not really meant for you. But if your bust is not as small as some of us have, you can just remove they put a pad here, you can just remove the pad so you can fill it up, you can fill up the spaces. But this purpose of this pad is so that you can cover up your nipple, you know, so that's the purpose of this. And I really like it. So if you guys want to check about the other swimwear options that are available on Zaful, I will link down my favorite down in the description below. So you guys always check the description below, because there I've got share my favorite that I've shopped, and even the ones that I am looking at to shop and you guys will love. So if you have the same style as me, always check this description below for different options. I will link down, and also I will also drop down my discount code both on the screen and below, so you can use the same. So guys, the next thing I want to talk about is this dress. It's a date night dress for me. I really like the vibe this dress is giving me. I will insert a picture of me styling them with xoxo jewelry I got from Paparazzi brand. Yes guys, I love to shop on the budget on this channel. So if you're a budget babe, definitely check out Paparazzi brand for your jewelries, your necklaces, your rings, you know. So if you're thinking of engaging a lady, maybe after your heart, you know, check out Paparazzi brand for affordable options of silver rings that are perfect for you. So they don't really have gold options, but at least the silver is going to be long lasting, not silver that fades, like that fades into copper, you know. So yes, I styled with the Paparazzi jewelry that I'm going to start in this video, and this dress is really nice. So guys, this belt I got it from Zaful, and it's really nice. If you're looking for fashion belts that you can use to style your outfits in 2022, definitely check out Zaful. They have a lot of options of different stylish ones, the large belts, you know. If you watched or started reading about the New York Fashion Week, fashion belt is going to be hot and big in 2022. The large belt options were seen on the runway, and they were really nice. So start shopping for fashion belts. Use it for your dresses, you can use it for your skirts, you can use it for your jumpsuits, you know, you can use it for your pants. And even when you use belts on your pants, it gives it better makes it look chic and more beautiful. So yes, you need more fashion belts in 2022. You get many options from Zaful. I'll link like 2 or 3 options down below for you guys to shop for yourself if you're looking for more belts for you. So guys, this is I'm going to style my corsets that I got from Zaful. So if you guys are looking for options of corset to wear to shop for, please check out Zaful. They have nice option of corsets. This you can wear alone if it's your size, but this is not my size. So I went for extra small, but it doesn't fit, maybe because I'm not that big on top, you know. But anyways, I can style it with a dress, and this looks so good with my dress. It gives it an elevated look. Or you can also wear it on top of a shirt or your normal regular top. So you can wear it on top of a shirt dress, and you really good to look. So the last but not the least item I want to show you guys in this haul is this bag I got from Ego shoes. You know, Ego shoes is my plug for designer dupes, and I have so many designer dupes I'm currently eyeing for 2022, and this one I got it on sale during the Ego shoes New Year sales. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you want to grab anything, always look out for it when it goes on sales. And normally when you're in the US or the UK, you can use a website called a website called Karma, not Klarna. So Klarna is for breakdown of your costs, so you also pay small bits, but Karma will help you know when you can save item in your wish list. You can create your own fashion lookbook, and whenever those items go on sale, you're going to go and clean it and get it, you know. So this I got from the sale, from the New Year sale from Ego shoes, and I really love it. You guys can see it's a really cute shoulder bag. You can wear it out on a date. You can clutch it when you're going out. It's a clutch bag and evening bag. So this bag is really super cute and fun to wear, and it's kind of large. It can contain a lot of stuff. You guys can see how large and spacious it is. You can fit in your ATM card, you can fit in your phone, you can fit in your lipstick, you can throw in some little bits that we ladies throw in our bags into this bag, and it's going to fit it in. As far as you're not going to put a very big notebook inside, any basic thing you need, this bag can fit it in. You can just carry it out and you're ready to go. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It helps my channel get seen by people. Thumbs up all my videos as you watch them. It will really help me, and share my videos to people that may like it. Till another time, bye guys.